Namaskar, a very good morning, good afternoon, and a wonderful good evening to all of you who are watching from different parts of the world. We happily completed our episode 1 and 2 last weekend, and it has been it feels like it's been a long since we met. So, I, Acharya Shama, welcome you all to the episode 3 of Falgun Mahotsav 2021. And it's my much pleasure this episode because it's a very special episode. We have a very special guest of honor with us. Before that, as I always talk about little things about the art and the artist. So I was reading something somewhere, and it really clicks to me, and I'm really impressed by that statement that an artist is an entertainer, he's an educator, and he is also an enlightened source. So when I interpret in my own words, I understood that an artist is an entertainer when he or she uh, shows you his art. When you see that artist, he is an entertainer. When he becomes an educator when you learn from few things that what he's doing, you understand that the intricity of something that he's doing, and he becomes an enlightened source when he connects with you, with your mind, body, and soul, with his own art. He connects the inner part of you. He becomes an enlightened source. So my question, maybe to myself and to all of you also, that can the power to enlighten others can be that in any young mind? Yes, it can. Can a young artist has the same power to entertain, educate, and enlighten? Yes, it can. Can your teacher be of same age or maybe a little elder than you and still you respect? Yes, you can, because you respect not the age, irrespective of the age. You respect the knowledge that he or she possesses. And not only that, that he or she is ready to give you. So we overall, it's a very deep thing, and it's really close to my heart. And today I have some lines from my journal. So I'm sitting with my journal with you. So I just wanted to share with you. Respect the knowledge irrespective of the age. Make a little shift in your belief and get free from that cage. So with this, I uh, want to give you a brief of about our third episode guest of honor, Sushri Shruti Sehgalji, and I personally am very happy with this episode because she might be she is young, very young artist, and she probably younger than 75% of all of us who are currently watching. But I truly respect the knowledge that she carried with herself and the that she has learned from her journey. So I really invite, without wasting any time, I invite Shruti Sehgalji to please be with us. Namaskar, Shruti ji, how are you?
Namaste, I'm fine. How are you?
I'm good. Thank you very much for joining, Shruti. And you are a source of inspiration to many of us who are watching, the same generation who really want to do something in the
Thank you so much.
art field. Yes.
Thank you so much, Charama.
Thank you, no problem. So I just wanted to say a little bit on your behalf to our viewers that she is a Visharat in Kathak and classical music too. You are learning in classical music also. We're very good.
Yes, yes.
And she has many awards in her Kathak journey. And to name a few, I think, Shruti ji, you are most welcome to please talk about your achievements or your the journey of the Kathak that you have done.
Yeah, sure. So, I started when I was 7 years old,
Oh, great.
and under the guidance of my Guruji Pradipta Kumar Chakrabarti.
Yeah.
And since then, I think it have been 11 years, and I'm still learning from him. And talking about the awards, I went to competitions in Bangalore, Pune, Jodhpur, Delhi, I think Mathura.
Mm.
And it was not always I got first, but yeah, I participated in many competitions.
Yeah, and I was just reading about you. So you
Yeah,
have been performed and bagged, the topmost position in International Indian Classical Dance and Music Festival, Bangalore,
yeah,
Mahotsav Mathura, ICDMF in Jodhpur, and she has been awarded as a Yuva Pratibha Award at Pratibha Utsavam Nagpur, and lots of them. And I must say, you are very humble, and you are not.
thank you.
Yeah, and where are you from? Which part of India are you from?
I live in UP, Uttar Pradesh, Delhi, but my roots are from Punjab.
Oh, you are from Punjab. Okay, which part?
Yeah,
So many.
Amritsar,
Amritsar.
Amritsar.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. And wow, that's very interesting.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I would like to play one first performance of yours. And if you want to talk about that is Saraswati Vandana and how you, like, if you want to say something to our viewers, especially the young generation, how Kathak
Uh,
is a part of Vandana. Yes, please.
Vandana, the first thing as you do as an invocation to God, that is the first thing we do before dancing. We thank God. And I think that is a beautiful part of Kathak doing Vandana. It can be to Shiv Vandana, Ganesh Vandana, Saraswati Vandana, but it's too beautiful with that slow music with itself. And I really like doing
Can
Vandana.
see from your expression. And we can have, I mean, there's a very beautiful Kathak movements that is
Yeah,
involved in that. And
yeah.
yeah, before we talk much with Shruti ji, I would like to play Saraswati Vandana performed by her, and let's watch
Thank
it. We're going to stop the video. Mhm. Shruti ji, this is very divine. It was so beautifully, yeah, performed by you, and the whole thing of it is so. I mean, I'm speechless with your
Thank you so
expression.
much.
And I
Thank
would
you.
like to, thank you. I would like to ask our viewers to, if you want to ask few questions from our guest of honor, to Shri Shruti Saigalji, and you are most kindly welcome to please put your questions in the comment box. We will try to take few questions, and in case I miss, and so before, just before that, I seek forgiveness from you, but I will try to take all the questions. And I have been reading the comments. It's like elegant, beautiful, divine, and wonderful, and all sorts of comments that I was just reading during the performance. Yeah. So my next question, which is my curiosity, is what is your academics like, your study journey in this very young age? And so this is my first question, and yeah, then I'll ask the
Yeah.
second one.
So I just completed, I am currently studying medical science at University of Sydney. I'm doing bachelor's in medical science.
Wow.
Okay, I just joined, my undergrad started in this COVID only. Right now I'm in India. I've not moved to Australia. And I think managing it with Kathak was not never ever that difficult. I loved dancing, so I could always find time for it.
Yeah,
It
so
was
my
never,
question is how you got, so what, so you said that you started at the age, young, very young age of 7 years.
yeah.
And how you realized that you like dancing, or, and then you
Yeah.
decided to do Kathak?
When I was in my school, it was DPSG International. I was in DPSG International. I think I was 7 years old. I used to do rhythmic gymnastics.
Okay.
I am a national player at rhythmic gymnastic also.
That's a,
So so there I met Pradipto's Guruji Pradipto Kumar. He was a teacher there. He came for an annual function performance kind of things. I used to dance. I used to that school teachers when they take you for small performances at
yes,
school where you dance on stage. I
right.
used to do that. So once sir told me, Guruji told me that why don't you dance? Why don't you learn dancing from a good person? You are too good at it. Then the next PTM, I dragged my mother to my teacher and said, I want to learn dance. And then my
Wow.
mother said, okay, Guruji, you only teach her dancing. Then I started learning from him.
Wow, that's very beautiful, and I am sure that most of us connects with this kind of, this story connects with this story when you, most of us are in the young age, they perform and then they got opportunity to learn. We would be saying that the lucky one have that guidance to, go ahead with that. And thank you for
Yeah.
that. And I would uh, like to you to talk about your next performance. But before that, I want to remind our viewers again to uh, please keep on putting your questions and whatever you have, and to inspire you, to motivate you to follow your heart. Yes, Shruti ji, if you can talk a little bit
Yeah.
about performance.
Yeah, my next performance is Teen Tal. It's a technical portion of Kathak. It includes Thaat, Tihai, Tarana, and Pramiglu kind of things. The Padanth is by my Guruji Pradipta Kumar Chakravarti. And I think Teen Tal has 16 beats and it's a beautiful tal. I think it includes everything. Teen Tal is the basic and the most special tal, I think.
Yeah, I think
Yeah.
it touches the heart of everyone, and everyone
Yeah.
starts from it.
Yeah.
So what is so when you do the technical part of Kathak? So I want to just know what feelings you have while you have done this technical part. What kind of feelings do you come across? Like, how do you feel?
So yeah, so my favorite is the technical portion because I enjoy it. You just feel so good when you do it. All the energy is released, everything stress is released, and you just enjoy it. You just feel relaxed after doing that.
Yeah, especially in your when you do your academics side by side and you have your studies,
Yeah,
and then you
yeah,
have the option to express your feelings out of the dance.
yeah, yeah. Just a stress buster kind of thing.
Yes, absolutely right. I must, yes, I
Mhm.
agree. Yes. Okay, so let's watch Shrutiji's technical part, which is on Teen Tal. And yes, okay.
A, din, 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 a, sit, a, din, 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 a, sit, a, din, din, ta, din, da, 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 din, ta, din, ta, din, ta, ta, din, ta, ta, three, start up the top. Ding, ding, ta, ta, ding, ding, ta, ta, ding, ding, ta, ding, da, 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 da. Ta, 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 ding, ding, ta, ta, ding, ding, ta, ding, da, 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 ding, 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 ta, ta, ding, ta, ding, ta, ding, 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 ding. Din din ta ta din 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 ta ta din 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 ta ta din din ta ta din ta din ta din ta din ta din ta din 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 na din na thế ya thế thấy tất cả thế 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 thấy tất cả ta thấy là thấy tất thấy ta thì ta thấy đến tính là thế ya thế thấy tất cả thế 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 thấy tất cả ta thấy là thấy tất thấy ta thì ta thấy đến tính là thế ya thế thấy tất cả thế 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 thấy
Shruti ji, it was really very commendable at this very young age. And what poise, what tatkar, and what chakkars, and very beautiful. I could not
Thank you so
have
much.
my eyes on
Thank you.
it of a second itself. How effortlessly Neeru Rathraji writing, how loved how effortlessly you performed, and Darshika ji said chakkars, and it's a long list, so I will not say I was just saying Shruti's performance is very nice and mind blowing, and yeah, lovely expressions. In the middle of that, I got few questions, and I know you would like to answer. Sumiji has asked that. It's very, I think it's very good question, which most of us wanted to know is who supports you the most in the family? And I know if you take a side of any one person in the family, it will not be fair. So yeah, you can.
Yeah. No, I'll be honest. It's never like one. Mom and dad both support me a lot. Matlab, it's like mama and papa both are always towards dance. I think they have never said no for dancing. I have to go to class. Yes, go. I have a performance. Go. I have a competition here. Go. I'll come late. I have my class. Go. It's never a no.
They
They
see
support me every time.
it's I would say like they are lucky and you are lucky also to get such
Yeah.
parents. Yeah, they see your talent, and that's why I think they cannot say no.
Yeah, they never say no. They are inclined towards classical music and dance. They don't belong to that background, but they have always loved it.
Yeah, yeah. So lovers are the viewer in our viewers, so they are also very important. What the artist
Yeah.
they has to, there's someone to appreciate it, to see
Yes.
it. I'm sure that all your right from your childhood, all your friends in the schools or on the and even in the college, they must have seen your performance and they are in all awe of your performance.
Yeah. Yeah.
The second question from Shashanji is how do you balance your work? I mean, he's relating the work and passion, or maybe he's trying to say the studies and passion.
Uh, how do I manage? I think when you love something, you just get time for it. I think I can skip my studies, but I never skipped my dance. Yeah, but yeah, so in the earlier times it was difficult, when I had my first performance in 2014 in Gurugram. So I had my annual function in the morning, and the annual function was just open, and we just ran for the performance, and we were just like 10 minutes before the performance there.
Yeah, so yeah, I'm very happy. I'm personally from my heart, I'm very happy that you are here and speaking yourself about yourself, and you're speaking your heart about yourself. And so many viewers are watching us and will be watching us who are not able to watch us live, will be watching us. And I'm sure they are connecting from some point of the life, they are connecting with whatever you are saying. And it's the
Yeah.
same with me. I can leave everything. I don't have to. I mean, I cannot leave the dance part.
That's
Somebody wants to have to say that. Okay, so I'll say I'll leave this, but I'll not leave the dance.
yeah, yeah.
Expression. You cannot. This is the inbuilt thing. So you cannot separate that from being. So
Yeah.
okay. So we have with us our another special guest, Srimati Kiran Jeswani Jhamtani ji, and she has been with us since the last two performances. And yeah, I am welcoming Kiran ji. Kiran ji, namaskar. How are you?
Yes.
Is my voice reaching you?
Yeah, namaskar. Can you hear me?
Yes, we can hear you.
Yeah.
Thank you for joining, and she has been watching all the performance of Shruti ji, and I would like Kiran to just tell about yourself, a little bit about yourself to our viewers.
Sure. First of all, thank you so much, Acharya ji, for giving me this wonderful opportunity. I am blessed to be a part of this event. And Shruti ji, let me tell you, you were really beautiful. I am so mesmerized with your performance, and you have a wonderful voice, and your expressions are just lovely.
Thank you
Uh,
so much. Thank you.
I am Kiran Jeswani Jamtani. I am originally from Pune, India, and currently residing in Philadelphia, USA. I'm a software engineer by profession, And I also have been performing since a very young age. Like I started performing when I was 5 years old, but I have been doing
Oh.
Bollywood, but never learned dance from anybody until I found my guru Acharya Shama. And that's how I started learning Kathak like 1.5 years back.
Yeah, and I must say that she is Kiran is very a graceful dancer, and she has always I love the smile that she carry always during her performances, and else apart from the performance also. Thank you. Thank you, Kiran. Do you have any questions? So first, yeah, you can have any questions for Shruti ji?
Sure. Yeah. I mean, Shruti, it's commendable how you balance your like dance and studies. And I mean, I was just hearing you said like you have performed in like so many platforms. I would just like to know
Yeah.
what has been like your most memorable experience during your Kathak journey.
The most memorable experience was the first time when I went to a competition without Guruji. That was the competition in Bangalore. I went with my school. So every time we perform, we have our Guruji with us. So we are like, we see him and we ask him, is everything okay? So there I didn't had him. So I was like calling him again and again, is everything okay? Can I perform now? So that was my first performance without him. I just went for a competition there. And
Yeah.
before every performance, we are like Guruji, and he sees us like do it properly. And after the performance, he's like, "Wow, very good." And when we meet at home, what was that? Why did you do that mistake?
Yeah, when you I truly understand. I think when you have that support with you when you are performing somewhere, the blessings are always there, but once the presence is there, so that makes entirely different an entirely different thing, or a difference when is present and when just is not present.
Definitely.
Yes.
Acharya, I still remember your expressions when we were performing for the first time. You were more nervous than us.
Yes, so yeah, it happens like it's like a child and parent relationship. Like
Absolutely. Yeah.
biological parents are obviously they are most important. They are on the top. But the guide, which my guru also and Shruti is saying, that it's a child and a parent relationship. So guru is more nervous, and he's more bothered about the performance of his or her uh, disciple, Shishya. Yeah, yes, I like wonderful talkings to both of you. Shruti ji, I would like to play a very beautiful Thumri, and with Kiran ji, we will see together and with our viewers. And please tell something about Thumri, this particular Thumri, and what is it and how does it, yeah.
This is a tumri about Radha and Krishna, where the Krishna is not letting Krishna is not letting him go. So she always she's saying him again and again, and why are you stopping me? Why aren't you letting me go?
Okay.
So he breaks his matki and he disturbs her a lot. And once she get angry also, but that is a lovely piece. That is too cute, I think. Radha and Krishna.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow. So, yeah, you have said it so beautifully. So I really wanted to see it now. Okay. So let's watch Shruti ji's Thumri performed by her. And the bowls are, Shruti ji, if you can share the bowls.
It's काहे रोकत डगर प्यारे नंदलाल मेरे.
Oh, beautiful. So let's watch it. Thank you. Yeah, we will all stop our videos. Yeah.
Yeah.
रोकत
I would, I have so many words. So I would like Kiranji to say something first and then I will say.
I mean, I am speechless,
Yes,
honestly.
I know. Saw your expressions and I was like, okay.
Yeah, I could actually like realize from your expressions, like your love for dance, and you were so engrossed in it, Shruti ji. I don't know. I mean, at this young age, how do you actually manage to get those beautiful expressions and dance from your heart?
Yes.
It's
Thank
commendable.
you, thank you.
And you were not only it was not only a graceful performance, you were looking so graceful too, with especially
Thank
the
you.
end part when you had all their expressions, and we do understand what is it about, what is the story is about. The expressions were so fine that I think every all of the viewers do understand what you are wanting to, express.
Yeah, honestly, we didn't even need the music to
Yes.
understand what you were trying to say.
I have
Yeah.
been getting like Devasmita ji, it's always a wonderful experience to see Shruti ji's performance. And in fact, I learned so many things every time. What a graceful performance. And Poonam ji's writing. This is one of the best tumris I have ever seen. God bless you.
Oh,
She's sending
thank you.
lot of us, are including me, and I'm sure Kiran ji also, they're sending blessings to you and really blessing from the deep core of my heart to do this. It's like it's so wonderful and adorable. Okay, so
Thank you.
Kiranji, you have any questions to ask from Shruti ji? Like how you, yeah, you have any questions? Any other
I would
questions?
just like wish her luck and all her studies, and I wish you continue your passion for dance like throughout your life. I truly
Thank you.
wish
Thank
that.
you.
It's not easy to balance both the things, like your studies and your passion and your work and everything. So I'm really proud of you for that.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Kiranji, for joining with us. And I'm
Thank
sure if you have any questions, you can ask, or else I'm very happy that you had time to come with us and ask your all questions from Shruti ji. And thank you once again. And if you want to say something to the viewers, you can, and then I will take it.
Definitely. Thank you. Thank you so much, everybody who has tuned in today and blessed us with their presence. And yeah, thank you. It has been wonderful talking to both of you. Thank you.
Yes.
Same.
Thank
Thank
you,
you.
Kiranji. Yeah, thank you. Okay. Shruti ji, so yes, so I have so many things in my mind going on because I can connect very well with the just small age. You are doing such wonderful things, and I'm sure that you will, when you leave India and go back to Australia, you will also carry this beautiful thing with you, which you have learned, and
Yeah.
spread the essence and aura of that.
Yes,
I
definitely.
You would like to say something, Shruti ji, to other viewers before we start with our another performance?
Yeah. So this was the first time I tried Bhav. I don't know how many scoldings I have got from my Guruji.
Yeah. But
This, this
I must say, if you have done first time of this bhav, then you are already a level up, and it will be polished in a long way. But this is so beautiful. This is so beautiful.
thank you.
Okay. So the last part for the viewers, I would like to say that is called Tarana. We have been talking about Tarana since our last few episodes, and I would like Shruti ji to talk about this particular Tarana. Yes, please.
Yeah, this Tarana is also in Teen Tal. It has got a Gatnikas. It has two Gatnikas in it. Uh, it has got a Pramelu, a Paran, Tihaya,
Beautiful.
and Tarana is such a beautiful. I think all the energy. It requires all of your energy, and Tarana just boosts you up.
Yes, I agree. That
Yeah.
boosts you up. I agree.
Yeah. One of the person watching also get energized after watching that thing.
Yeah,
I
they
will
charged
watch
up.
every. Yeah.
They want to do the
Yeah.
same tarana. I have seen so many people, they see and the tarana, they're so charged up, they wanted to do that immediately. Same thing.
Yeah.
Yeah, that is the beauty of a pure artist, that you also is creating so many, as in you are inspiring in this episode too. And with your performance, I'm getting so many comments that and I can feel that they are actually in all sort of awe after seeing your performance in variety of performance, not only one type of performances, and in every variety, you are so beautiful. Be it technical, be it Thumri, be it Vandana, and now we are going to watch Tarana. And yes, okay.
Ni
I'm sure all our viewers are really very happy and they are not able to digest in every different variety, and all the varieties are so beautiful in their own level. Yeah, which is writing, whoa, what an energetic performance. Very good. Keep it up. And absolute perfection. I can just read the, there is one question for you, Shrutiji, that, uh, okay, before that, a very good, beautiful compliment, spellbound by your performance and speechless performance. Okay, I am sure it's like you must be all these thank you very much for all your comments, dear viewers, and I'm sure Shrutiji, you already getting these compliments right from your start of your journey, because I can see the dances inside you, that your expressions is it's an inborn talent that you have, passion. Okay, there is a question for you, and it's like halka fulka question kehte hain, because it's like, it's from Kirti ji. So she's saying, do you see yourself starting a dance school in Australia at some point? It's a serious thing. It's a halka fulka question, but it's a serious thing at the latest.
It's really serious, yeah.
Yes.
I am teaching, I think, 2-3 children Kathak, that just I think 6-7 years. But I never saw myself starting as a dancing school, and for the first time, this question has made me think about that.
Yes. So think about that.
Yeah, really.
And it will be so yeah, all our blessings and best wishes are with you, truly. We are still open for any of the question answers, and we are going to have one more performance of a very young Kathak learner or artist, you can say. She is 10 years age. Her name is Shravya Misra, and she is learning Kathak since 1.5 or 2 years. But in the last 1 year, the piece that she is going to perform now is actually it's learned all online. So it was a big difference between offline, face to face, and online. Like we all truly from the heart bless you, Shruti ji. I would like you to have your blessings on her. And for our viewers, please forgive of any mistake, but I really want you all to just motivate and inspire her a lot. The song is a very old 1972 classical song by Madan Mohanji, and it is that is also based on Kanha. Kahe Kanha Kahe Kanjori. So Radha is very frustrated by all the mischief of Kanha, and the song is very beautiful because it's like two parts. Its first half is a dramatic part, the story, and the second half is purely on technical part. The Shravya Misra has tried her best, and what with all the limitations of COVID we have, I really seek all of your blessings and also Shrutiji's blessings on her. So let me play. Okay. Yes, we're going to play. I'm sure with all the blessings and best wishes, I see her really to go in the stage where you have reached with her, just started the journey of her. And I
It
really
was just, it was so beautiful, and learning online is really very difficult, and she has picked so much. She was looking so good while dancing. I just
I
loved
will,
it.
I don't know if she is watching us or not, but I will really pass these compliments to
Yeah,
her. It will really
it was
boost
too
her
good.
energy up. Thank you so
Yeah,
much, Shruti. And
yeah,
this is just the journey of the little beings, and I really want to see them uh, polished and in their own, flourished in their own, talent, like you.
yeah.
It's definitely
Oh.
like you.
Ah,
And yeah, with this, we are going to end our episode 3, and it has been such a beautiful journey with you. This so past 1 hour. I didn't even realize the time, and so much to
yeah, it was.
hear from you, so much to talk about. I'm sure we have so much other questions also coming in the mind, but these are all questions that I have received in the comment box. And thank you so much, Shruti ji, for being with us in
Thank
this
you.
time.
Thank you for providing me with this great opportunity, ma'am.
We
Thank you.
all wish you all the best for your future, whatever you do in India, in Australia, and we wish and you truly wish. I have been getting messages continuously that we truly wish that you continue this art form wherever you are around the world,
Yeah,
and
sure.
spread this beauty that you
Sure.
have, this the gem and the talent that you have inside.
Thank
Yeah.
you. Thank
Okay.
you,
We
really.
want to
Thank you.
thank you so much, Shrutiji, for having with
Thank you,
us.
ma'am. Thank
Yeah.
you so much. Yeah. Thank
Thank you very much, all of you who are being with us and watching us, hearing us, and showering your blessings on us. And we will again be coming tomorrow at the same time, 11 a.m. EST and 8:30 p.m. IST, with episode 4. And this is a very different episode because it's based on Bharatnatyam, which is another very renowned Indian classical dance, Bharatnatyam. And we will meet yet another younger artist, a gem of artist, which her name is Shri Ritika Anishti, and we will be having one special guest and all sort of question and answers from you. So till then, I wish you a very happy Saturday or Sunday or any weekend, any part of the time zone you are. And thank you very much. Namaskar.